Okay, don't worry guys. I will look at your sentences, Masen. If your sentence is logical, takes in all the information, you get full marks. Okay? If your sentence is logical, but misses something, I'll take off maybe half a mark. Okay? If you use the wrong adjective clause marker, I will take off 1 mark. Okay? Okay guys, let's continue. So, now, let's just do a little quick review about reported speech and adjective clauses. Number 1, reported speech. Here's what I want from you. Okay. Yes. 1 student, I want you to say an imperative. Imperative.
An order.
Imperative? What is an imperative?
Go home.
What is it?
Go home.
Right. Which is what's another name for
order?
Demand. An order or a
command.
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 Okay. Demand? Maybe. Possibly. Okay. So 1 student, raise your hand. Give me an imperative. Go ahead. You said 1.
Go home.
Okay. Now I'm going to choose a student. Mazen. Reported speech of what he said. Go.
He said to me, he
told me.
He told me to go home.
Do you remember what we said yesterday about infinitives? Read a book.
Again,
read chapter 6.
Go home. Go home.
Go home. He told to me, he go to home.
No, again, Mazen. Okay, simplify. Take out all those extra words. To me. You don't need that. Okay? Yes.
He told me to go.
Yes, Mark. Not today, not tomorrow.
He said that.
You didn't say said that.
No.
He told me to go.
Thank you. You told me
Fine,
to go.
Yes.
What about get lost?
He asked me to go home.
No, you can't say that. Okay? If he says go home, that becomes an infinitive. Okay? Very simple right there. He told me to go home. Number 2, a question, Mr. Al Sultan.
Do you talk with me?
Make it a good question, please. Do you talk with me? That sounds like ASL talk. Anyone else? A question? Yes.
Do you face any obstacle in your life?
Do you face any obstacles in your life? Mustafa.
Are you going to your...
Mustafa, big voice now, not up here.
Are you going to your school?
No, Mustafa.
Don't get a question.
Yeah, reported speech.
Okay, can you say it again? Do you have...
One more time.
Did you face any obstacle?
Wait a sec, you said do, now you said did.
Do you face any obstacle in your life?
Obstacle?
Yeah.
Oh, obstacles. Thank you. Mustafa.
He asked me if I face any obstacle in my life.
One more time, Mustafa. Perfect sentence, give it to me.
He asked me if I face any obstacles in my life.
Okay, that's pretty good.
He asked me if I have faced any obstacles
In Canada. Okay? This one is basically asking me about your entire life. Do you face any obstacles in your life? Yeah, so that's talking about today, yesterday, anytime.
About the points in the bus.
What about the what?
The light about the points. Specific time. Points.
Oh, points.
Specific time on the bus. The question should be, do you have faith?
Do you have faith?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Have you faced?
That's the also here's unique English. What is it again?
Do you have faith?
No.
Have you faith?
Have you faced?
Have you faith?
Yeah, have you faced? Okay, let's use that one then. Let's use that as number 5. Okay? Who can give me the answer? Have you faced any obstacles in your life? Mohammed.
He asked me if I have had face. And
Again?
If I have had.
If I had
had faced.
I had faced.
That's it.
Any obstacles in
What
life?
about reporting the WH question?
Who said that?
Reporting the WH question.
Reporting a WH question? Give it to me. Make a WH question. I'll say it. No, also give me a good WH question, not this who are you stuff. It's good, but let's get a complicated one.
When you go yesterday?
Good question though. When did
you go yesterday?
When did you go to?
Just say the minute.
When did you go to school?
Okay, so when did you go to school yesterday? Let's say. When did you go to school yesterday? Ali.
Yes.
He asked me when I had. When he asked me when.
Michelle, no way, sir. I'll say here one more time.
When did you go to school yesterday?
Okay? When did? Remember, it's past. It's past already. What happens?
He asked me when
He asked me.
He asked me when I had gone to school. When I had gone to school. Okay? So basically, the rule is the simple one. You always shift back. Okay? Did is the shift to had.
The sentence is in the past perfect.
If this is the past perfect,
Leave it.
Keep it in the back.
he had eaten a steak before breakfast.
He said that he had eaten a steak before breakfast.
Right, you can't change that anymore because it doesn't need changing. It's already at a shift so far back that you can't shift anymore.
So the previous back shifting is logical.
Right.
Good for
Yeah. The whole idea here is keeping it logical. Yeah. The reason we backshift with reported speech is because it's from somebody else. This person told me about something in a time period, so that's 2 times. Two backshifts.
So it's different between quoting, because quoting don't change anything.
Right, quoting stays exactly the same. Is there an example of no backshifting? If you say something to me and then I don't backshift.
Yeah, with auxiliaries. Should, can, we don't shift it.
Okay, give me an example with an auxiliary.
We can do it.
We can do it?
Yes.
He said that, we can do it.
We can do it.
That's a shift.
No.
He told me that we could do it.
Obama said we can do it. Something that-
Obama said, quote unquote, we can do it. There's a difference there. That's the quote. Yeah, Obama said we could do it. It still sounds crazy, but should you stay here? He asked me if I should stay here.
No.
Yeah, so there's no change. There's no
I don't
change.
should.
I should.
Even it's
And also with might.
might.
Oh, might shift. Oh, might you don't shift. You're right.
Or could.
But may we should.
Would, could.
Good.
Should you stay here? With the present
Simple.
he asked me with the present simple. I should.
Mr. Tom, how can we report the future?
Can you talk about the future?
Report the future.
Give me an example.
He's going to Italy
Okay.
next week.
Let me see. Maj, you're in this spot, right? Yeah? Okay, report his intention. He's going to Italy. That's easy. He's going to Italy.
He told me that he's going to.
He was
going to Italy.
Right. Okay. I will do my homework tonight. Would.
that he would do something.
Yes. What do you mean by that? How can you know when it happened? For example, did you face any obstacles yesterday morning at 10 o'clock? He asked me if I had faced any obstacles yesterday morning at 10 o'clock. That's not how we get
Okay, so that's reported speech. Any more questions? One thing to remember. Do you see when it's a question, like this, it often becomes if.
And there's
With the
no.
question. But what about WH? Does WH become if?
No, we use the very special.
Where's the WH?
Last one.
He asked me when I moved down to school.
When?
So when equals the if. They're the same.
So the question is equal by.
Yeah. So if I said, where were you yesterday? And you answer, please, muntader. Where were you yesterday?
Where I was is.
Right. So there's a shift there of were you to I was. Shift.
I think we should say where I have been yesterday.
Yeah.
Because
Ah, thank you. You're right. I am wrong. Muntader. One more time.
Yes, where I have been is.
You're right. Where were you becomes had been. Thank you, Al-Sultan. Okay, so let's go on.
You see, in this class we have geniuses, right?
Well, it's good that he learned. I made the rule. I said the rule. He remembered, and I made a mess. We're going to change the chest a little. I'm going to get students up here. I'm going to give you a little piece of paper that I have here. On the paper, there is a password. There's something that I want you to say, and there are numbers. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's see. Purple book. 1, 2, 3. So purple book. English. PYD. King Faisal University. So I'm trying to get you to say the purple book, but you can't talk about English or PYD or KFU. So for example, I'll show you how to do it using adjective clauses. I am thinking about a difficult piece of reading. Okay? It's a color, and I'm thinking about this reading, the reading that has many difficult chapters in it.
Will someone say?
Doesn't make any sense.
I'm thinking about the reading that has many interesting articles in it. I'm thinking about the reading that students are learning how to speak another language in Saudi Arabia.
Which was written in America.
Okay, so what your job is to say, purple book. Okay, that's the idea. I talk about it, but I cannot say this, I cannot say English, I cannot say PYD, I cannot say KFU, but my job is to get you to speak purple book, okay, using adjective clauses. Okay, so let me show you one example from
You
here.
did not use adjective clauses.
I am thinking about an interesting reading that. Yeah, it's an adjective clause now.
You only use that.
It's good enough. What do you want me to do? Okay, here we go. Here's my example. Okay. I'm thinking about a man in a country next to Canada.
Obama.
Okay? I'm thinking about this specific man. I'm thinking about his whole name and the job he does.
The President Obama.
I'm thinking about his entire name, his whole...
Barack Obama.
Who can say it? Yes.
The President Barack Hussein Obama.
Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I'll take it. President Barack Obama. Okay? Alright, so I want a student to come up here. I will give you a paper, and it's your job to do it. Come on, Lucy's. I'll give you an easy one, I promise. Okay? So these are the words you cannot say, that's the word you want students to say. Okay? This guy's electric. Okay, go. So use adjective clauses as well. Yep, anything but those words. So I'm thinking about blah.
I am thinking about something that a university uses. They use it to make students more comfortable, other than a desk.
Chair.
Chair!
Okay, you're the man. Come on up. Come on. What's up? Don't worry. No, I'm just Hassan, don't worry, you'll make a mess. I'll give you an easy one. Here's an easy one.
Give him a hard one.
You want a hard one or an easy one? Okay, I'll give you a hard one. There you go.
No one told you to say that. I don't know.
So I'm thinking about blah, 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 who, blah, 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 where, blah, 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 when, blah, 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 that.
I'm thinking about an Arabic guy who's one of the richest people in the world.
Yes.
Yes.
Was it the full name?
No.
Oh, get them to give you the exact
He is
information.
from the king, royal family.
Prince
Al-Walid bin Salah. Also.
Yes.
Oh!
That's it.
Easy.
Something that stupid teenagers do.
I'm thinking about use adjective class.
That's something. Stupid teenagers do all the time.
Drifting.
Right now, this is been already. We want somebody new. Maki, come on up.
No.
Okay, don't say the words underneath. So I'm thinking about.
I am thinking about a big market in Al-Hassan. Yes.
Make your adjective class again. I'm thinking about
That market.
Wait a second. Al-Himal is a place, right?
Where?
It's in a location, right?
Yeah.
So what's the best word to use?
Where?
Yes. So give it to me. I'm thinking about a place
Where I can get your groceries.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Al-Sultan. This one's easy. Some of these are easy. Some of these are gruesome.
I'm thinking about the opposite of the sun.
There's no text with those.
Okay, yeah, that's not nice in the class.
No.
Okay, I'm thinking about something which
That appears man.
I am thinking about how did you get the sun as the opposite?
Calvin.
The opposite. You gotta come on up.
Break time.
Oh, it's break time. Look at that. After class.
After that.
Okay.